Welcome to the future of hair transplantation, where cutting-edge technology meets precision, artistry, and personalized care. In our clinic, we utilize artificial intelligence, augmented reality, and advanced robotic systems to redefine hair restoration like never before. Before we even touch a single follicle, artificial intelligence and augmented reality help us assess and plan. With AI-powered trichoscopy, we analyze hair shape, quality, and scalp health down to the microscopic level. This allows us to create hyper-personalized treatment plans that are tailored to each patient's unique hair type and growth pattern. Hair segmentation used to be a manual, time-consuming process, but with AI-driven automation, we can now precisely map out the hair volume, follicular density, and growth angles in seconds. This eliminates guesswork, ensuring optimal results with minimal intervention. The Artist robot, an AI-assisted robotic system, is revolutionizing hair transplantation. Unlike traditional manual extraction, Artist uses machine learning and image recognition to identify the healthiest hair follicles for transplantation. The result? A more natural hairline, minimal scarring, and an exceptionally high graft survival rate. Every individual has a unique facial structure and aesthetic preference. With AI-powered hairline design, we can visualize multiple options and fine-tune the perfect hairline before the procedure begins. This level of precision leads to better cosmetic outcomes and higher patient satisfaction. Technology is transforming hair restoration into an exact science, minimizing risks, enhancing aesthetics, and ensuring long-lasting natural results. With artificial intelligence, augmented reality, and robotic precision, we are setting new standards in the world of hair transplantation. Sponsorship, none and no disclosures.